Salam, it's Sierra from Visa Place, and today I'm going to go over some information on how to immigrate from Bangladesh to Canada. According to statistics, in Canada, there are between 50,000 to 100,000 Bangladeshi Canadians living in Canada. I'm going to cover life as a Bangladeshi in Canada and how to immigrate to Canada. So let's get started. Bangladeshis who now live in Canada are often called Bangladeshi Canadians. The majority of the Bangladeshi population are concentrated in the Greater Toronto Area and Montreal. There was a significant increase in those immigrating from Bangladesh to Canada. Between 2006 and 2015, there were 31,327 new permanent residents who landed in Canada from Bangladesh. Bangladeshi Canadians have integrated into Canadian society well, partly due to the Canadian government's policies and assistance to all immigrants settling in the country. The highest concentration for Bangladeshi Canadians are found in the provinces of Ontario and Quebec. Those immigrating from Bangladesh often migrate to those main cities as they are a hub for job opportunities. Whether an individual has immigrated to Canada to work for a Canadian company or start a new business, these main cities hold many job opportunities for technology, medical, and financial industries. If you are looking to immigrate to Canada, it is important to know the difference in school life between Bangladesh and Canada. In Bangladesh, 43% of the population attend school, while in Canada, 99% do. In Canada, higher education is the biggest pathway to getting a good job and career. Many Bangladeshis come to Canada for higher education and really enjoy it. Because of the high percentage of international students in Canada, there are several groups and clubs that help integrate culture into school life. Canada has three of the world's top universities: University of Toronto in Toronto, McGill University in Montreal, and the University of British Columbia and Vancouver. All of these cities offer amazing opportunities to explore the local culture, fantastic foods, and the great outdoors. If you are more interested in a rural or smaller college, the University of Western Ontario or Queen's University can offer you a world-class education. Studying in Canada is not all about the school that you attend, it's about the experiences you have while there. Many Bangladeshi Canadians have also earned a name in businesses. Apart from medium and small establishments, one can find Bangladeshi restaurants, groceries, and boutiques selling clothes and other goods all around Canada. There are several famous Bangladeshi Canadians that you should know about that may inspire you to make the move, like Amit Chakma. Amit is the president of the University of Western Ontario. He was born in the southeast region of Bangladesh. He moved to Canada to obtain his Master of Applied Science and PhD from the University of British Columbia. Ron Mustafa. Ron is a young Bangladeshi Canadian actor. He played a boot in the MTV teen drama Skins. His mother was born and raised in Bangladesh, and he currently attends the University of Waterloo. And Shamit Shum. Shamit is a Canadian professional soccer player of Bangladeshi descent. He plays as a midfielder on the Montreal Impact soccer team. Thousands immigrate to Canada every year, mostly through skilled worker programs, family sponsorship, provincial nominee programs, and investor programs. All of these options allow one to become a Canadian permanent resident, but there are options for temporary residencies such as a student visa or work permit. If you have become a Canadian permanent resident, you can apply for Canadian citizenship later on. So if you're interested in immigrating to Canada, you can apply through one of the following methods. Express Entry, Federal Skilled Worker Program. Express Entry is an online system that we use to manage applications from skilled workers for permanent residency. Family sponsorship. If you have family living in Canada, they can sponsor you to come live with them as a permanent resident. Provincial Nominee Program. The Provincial Nominee Program allows Canadian provinces and territories to nominate individuals who wish to immigrate to Canada and who are interested in settling in a particular province. Canada Investor Immigrant Program. If you are looking to immigrate to Canada as an entrepreneur or investor, there are several visa options available to you, including the General Startup Visa Program and the Provincial Specific Nominee Program. And Student Visa. The study permit is a document that we issue that allows foreign nationals to study at designated learning institutions in Canada. I hope this brief outline on immigrating from Bangladesh to Canada has helped and inspired you to make the move. Don't forget to subscribe and click the link in the description to book a consultation with Visa Please so we can get you started on your journey to Canada.